Hi guys, so today we're gonna make a pot of gold. We're gonna make some black-eyed peas and collard greens. Now to start off, if you want to keep this 100% no meat, you're gonna take some olive oil. I'm gonna use some bacon fat. Yes, I know. I got some bacon nice and crispy and I set it aside. I'm gonna go ahead and start to saute my onions in my bacon fat until they get nice and soft. And then I'm going to add in some minced garlic and let that warm up. Next, I'm going to add in my vegetable broth to my pot. As it starts to simmer, I'm going to season it. I'm going to season it with a bay leaf, some black pepper, salt, a little bit of oregano, paprika, a pinch of red pepper flakes, some onion powder and garlic powder. So now it's time to add in our collard greens. You want to chop up some collard greens, some fresh collard greens, and you're going to add them to your pot. Now, I did not chop these up well enough, so I took my kitchen shears and I kind of chopped them in the pot. So I did end up chopping them smaller. You do want it a lot smaller. So now we're just going to go ahead and cover this, and we're going to let it simmer for about 30 minutes until our collard greens get nice and tender. So next, we're going to go ahead and add in our black-eyed peas. I'm using canned black-eyed peas. I put them in a strainer and I kind of rinsed them a bit. And I'm going to go ahead and add those to my pot. And you're going to mix everything together. And then we're going to pop a lid right back on it. And we're going to let it simmer for an additional 30 minutes. And that's it, you guys. Done in about an hour. This is so good, you guys. Like I said, I called it gold, a pot of gold. Perfect for New Year's. I kind of ate it like a soup, and I put some steamed rice on it, and I sprinkled bacon and hot sauce, and I had cornbread. Girl, it was so good. Yum.